Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, especially tech enthusiasts. Today in this video, I want to show you some interesting things about Notepad and I want to guide you how to use Notepad as an alarm. Whenever you open your computer, you see the alarm that's be opened by the terminal and this is very useful and we're developers so um, we need to remind ourselves what to do, and sometimes we forgot about something. But just know you if you like the sticker note, we have to jump to sticker note and see what to do. But um, I think that is you know is um, is less useful than not using Notepad as an alarm. Um, I mean, um, if we use Notepad and whenever you open computer, you see the alarm, and this alarm will open automatically and tell you what to do for today. I think that's really useful. And if you, a less reminder persons. Okay, all right, let's get started. First, you have to open your Notepad. You can open your previous CMD to type Notepad, and then we see the entire Notepad file here. Let's write the message to yourself whenever you open the computer, and this message will alert you on what to do next time when you open the computer. And in my case, and this tonight, I want to practice my English, so I will type the message to myself whenever I open the computer. And then tonight, you have to practice English with ChatGPT. And if you want, you can write specific time like at 8 uh, 8 o'clock p.m. Okay, alright, and then you pause the message, and the point to write pause like this, that means you the message doesn't go on. When the terminal open the message right, we use the pause, the message will pause and doesn't disappear. And if you want, you can write one or more messages if you want, and you even can add ChatGPT to write your next activity. But in my case, I've just write two messages. Alright, and let's pause. And when you close the first message, the second message will display though. And let's save the this file to um, I would say fdor file and say it's the alarm um, alarm clock. And for the encoding, I will say it at the ANSI, and here we go. Alright, but you have to uh, write the batch like this to save at the batch file. Alright, let's say. Okay, and you have to check if your you know alarms clock text files become a document here, become a batch file here. So I save at batch file. You can see I type alarm clock and dot batch. It will save the batch file. So now let's type Win+R, and you see the open startup, or if you can't see, you can expand the icon here and you see startup, and then press OK to jump on startup page. You see I have the alert here with the message Ubuntu again, try to run WSL, and I will add the okay, let's save the URL here and jump to the documents. Okay. Alright, let's say the alarm clock too. And let's open the Win+R again and open the startup and place paste the alarm clock batch file to this startup. So whenever you open your computer, the terminal will open it like this. The terminal will open it like this, and with the window like message from admins, and run Ubuntu again, try to run WSL. Okay. Whoa. I'm sorry, but this is insane because I just copy one batch file from the Explorer, and it can be okay. Let's open the documents and let's copy the alarm clock, and let's paste the alarm clock here. Alright, and you see whenever you open the computer, the terminal will open like this. Tonight you have to practice English with ChatGPT at 8 p.m. Okay, and then press enter key, or you can press enter, and next the second message will display to you. You have to ChatGPT. Okay, and now alright. Okay, sorry for my microphone has turned off because it's Phonetic limited, and the limits of my phone time were 6 minutes, and it's turned off. So okay, I will have already okay, let's because it's the same message, so let's change the second message to see how it works, and open the file explorer here to click at the file you save the alarm clock here. Okay, let's edit the message like as 9 p.m. and tomorrow's like tomorrow's, and you okay, you will have to practice at 9 p.m. Okay, let's save double check here. Alright, and now let's refresh. Okay, open file explorer here. Jump to the documents. What about the alarm clock? Delete this alarm clock and paste this new alarm clock here and runs. Okay, tonight you have to practice English with ChatGPT at 8 p.m. Alright, just you press OK and enter, and the second message will show tomorrow you have to practice English with ChatGPT at 9 p.m. Alright, because we use the pause message, so the message will pause until we click OK or click close the tab. The message will disappear. That is the useful pause. Okay, so this videos enhances because just I want to talk. You can set your notepad as an alarm whenever you open your computer and tell you what to do. I think it's very useful than use like sticker note and other note. You have to jump to the note to see what to do next time. And that's yes, and of course I and use notepad as an alarm. Okay, if you like it, you can like and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos. See you next time. Bye.